Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, classmates. Today I'm going to present to you my report, Concept of Insect Physiology and Toxicology. Insect physiology is the study of the body systems and their process. Such process with such body systems are purely internal in nature with accompaniment of internal body parts with corresponding uses and functions. Early students on entomology concerning physiology of insects revealed that Marcel Mapigi discovered the excretory organ of the insect, Mapigian tubules, heart, and tracheal system, coupled with interpreted function of these organs. The discovery of these tubules with excretory function was finally confirmed by H.M. Gady and J.R. Ranger, suggested the absorbent properties of the Mapigian tubules. Robert Brown was the one who discovered the nucleus of the cell. Toxicology derived from two Greek words, the toxikos, which means poisonous, and logos, which means study. Toxicology is a field of science that helps us understand the harmful effects that chemical substances or situations can have on people, animals, and environment. Pesticides have brought great problems on man as producers and consumers of agricultural products. These problems are on residues, build-up of insect resistance, and resurgence of pests. Resurgence of pests happens due to killing of natural enemies as non-target organisms to the use of pesticides. Succession of insect pests from key pests to secondary pests to the potential insect pest is brought upon the sole dependence to chemical insect control. Insect, toxic, Insect toxicology is also called entomotoxicology that primarily deals with the effects of chemicals that retard insect development, growth, as well as cause death in insects. Insect, insect toxicology also deals with effects and mode of actions in development, insect resistance to insecticides. Insect toxicology is a multidisciplinary field of science involving the following: entomology, anatomy, morphology, and taxonomy, chemistry, both organic and inorganic insecticides, insect biochemistry, insect ecology, chemical ecology, behavior, and population dynamics. Genetics, related to insecticides resistance. Insect physiology. Statistics. Subdisciplines of toxicology. Two main fields of toxicology. One, toxicokinetics deals with how an organism handles toxic substances such as absorption, distribution within its body, biotransformation of metabolism, excretion, or elimination. 2. Toxicodynamics deals with what effects a toxic substance has on an organism, such as irritant, corrosive, teratogenesis, or sterilizing agent. Asphyxiation or suffocation, carcinogen, mutagen, anesthetic, or narcotic. Toxicology can be subdivided into many subdisciplines. Almost 20 different subdisciplines are generally recognized, and among them, 8 are well established. These are the following: Number 1, aquatic toxicology; 2, ecotoxicology; 3, environmental toxicology; 4, medical toxicology; 5, chemical toxicology; 6, entomotoxicology; 7, forensic toxicology; 8, toxicogenomics. Definition of terms. Toxicology is a broad field of study that encompasses multidisciplinary sciences related to adverse chemical effects of chemicals on organisms. Toxicokinetics deals with how an organism handles toxic substances. Toxicodynamics deals with what effects a toxic substance has on an organism. Metamorphosis, the second post-embryonic development in insects, starting from the egg followed by larvae, then pupa, and then the adult stage. Stage refers to the morphological state of insect between molts. Instar, the actual appearance of the insect after each molt. Stadium refers to the time period that insect is within a stage, particularly between two successive molts. Stomach poison. These are chemicals that are toxic when ingested through mouth. Fumigants. These are toxic compounds that enter the respiratory system, the insect through the spiracles. Insecticide resistance refers to the ability of a population to withstand or tolerate the adverse effects of an insecticide, that is, to survive a lethal dose of an insecticide that could have killed most normal or susceptible individuals.